Dear students, we had started this chapter parallel lines, and in this chapter we have already done what are parallel lines and transversals, angles formed on the parallel lines and the properties related to the parallel lines, and also we have learnt about how to find the unknown angles. So today's video is going to be about some applications of special types of parallel lines. So let's get started. So here we have first example. So first of all, read the statement. In a given figure, AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Find the value of X, Y, Z. So first of all, you can see this figure in which you can see AB parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Now how to start this question? Write given. So whatever is given to you, AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal, right? Now what we need to find the value of X, Y and Z, right? So before starting the question, what we will do, we will give the numbering to the angles. So here you can see that I have given the numbering as angle 1 is equals to 110, 2 as Z, angle 3 as X and angle 4 which is equals to Y, right? So let's start the question. So here you can see that first of all we can find this angle 2. That means the value of Z. Now how can we find? So here you can see on this straight line two angles are forming. So there we can apply the property of linear pair as well as angles on a straight line, right? So here I am applying this property linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, right? So here's the property, whatever the property you are applying here, so you have to write side by side. So here I am writing linear pair. So angle 1 is equals to 110. It is already given to us. Plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 2 is equals to 180 degree minus 110, which is equals to 70 degree. Now what was angle 2? Angle 2 was Z. Therefore we have found the value of Z. That is equals to 70 degree. Now we will talk about angle 3. That means X. Now you can see that which shape is forming here. Which alphabet you can see here? This is the shape of Z, right? In Z, which type of angles form, students? You know this. That is alternate angles, right? So angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. That means alternate angles are there. So therefore angle 3 is equals to 70 degree. Therefore we have found the value of X is equals to 70 degree. Now next one is how to find this 4. Angle 4. So here you can see that there is the shape of X or cross. In cross or in the X shape, which type of angles form? Vertically opposite angle. That means this angle 3 will be equals to angle 4, right? So here you will write angle 3 is equals to angle 4, which is vertically opposite angle, right? So this property you have to write on the right hand side. Therefore angle 4 will also be equals to 70 degree. Therefore we have found Y is equals to 70 degree. That was exactly what we need to find. So here X is equals to 70 degree, Z is equals to 70 degree and Y is equals to 70 degree. So let's move to the next example. Now here is example number 2. Let's read the statement. In a given figure, AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Find the value of X in this case. So here you can see this figure in which AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal, and in this case this angle, that is angle 1, that is 4x, is already given and here X is given. What we need to do, we need to find the value of X in this figure, right? Now what to do? How we will start this question? By writing here given. So whatever is given to you will write here AB is parallel to CD and EF is a transversal. Now we will give the numbering to the angles. So angle 1 is 4x and angle 2 is x. Now students, you can see that if I am not taking any angle here, how can you find the angles? So there is no way to find the value of x. So what we will do, we will take an unknown angle here, that is angle 3, right? So here you can see that this is the shape of what? This is the shape of cross or X, or in this shape vertically opposite angles formed. So that means angle 1 will be equals to angle 3. So here you will write angle 1 is equals to angle 3 because these are vertically opposite angles. So angle 3 is equals to 4x. So it will be also equals to 4x. Now you can see that this is the shape of what? It is a big bracket. And in big bracket, which angles form? Co-interior angles form. So here you can apply co-interior angles, that is angle 3 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, and on the right hand side you will write here co-interior angles. So angle 3 is what? 4x plus angle 2 is what? X is equals to 180 degree. Now 4x plus x will be 5x is equals to 180 degree, right? Now here x will remain here and 5 will go to the right hand side and we will get divide. So 180 divided by 5 will be equals to 36 degree. By doing cutting, we will get here on 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 36 is 180 degree. So here you will get x is equals to 36. So 5 ones are 5, 5 36 is 180. So you here x is equals to 36 degree, which is the given answer that they have asked for. So now let's move to the next question. Now here is the example number 3rd. In a given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the unknown angles and give reasons. Now here you can see this figure in which this AB is parallel to CD, right? And in which this angle 146 degree and this angle is 150 degree is already given. And this x we need to find, right? So here you will write given AB is parallel to CD. Now what we will do, we have to give the numbering to the angles. Now how can we give the numbering? Before starting this question, we will understand how to solve this question. So first of all, students, if you will see that this one will be the whole x angle, right? Now if I will construct a parallel line which is parallel to AB as well as CD, so it will cut this point F, right? This is another parallel line EF, and this line will cut this angle into two parts, right? Or divide this angle into two parts. So therefore I am giving the numbering to these angles as angle 1 and angle 2. Alright. Now what to do? Now here you can see that there is a way to solve the value of x or to find these angles. Now how to find? When you will have these two lines, AB is parallel to EF. Now BF is kind of a transversal, because if you will extend this line, so this line will cut these two parallel lines, right? So on one line, these two parallel lines are there, right? Similarly, these two parallel lines and FT is a transversal on these two parallel lines, right? So therefore, you can see that in this case, in this figure, big bracket is forming. Again, in this case, again a big bracket is forming. So now here you can apply the co-interior property and can find the value of x. Now we will give the numbering angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 as 150 and angle 4 as 146 degrees. So here I have written angle 4 is equals to 146 degree. It is already given to us there, and also angle 3 is equals to 150 degree. Now what to find? Unknown angles, that means x. So here you will start the question. Now first of all, you can see this angle can be divided into two parts, that is angle 1 and angle 2. That means if you will add angle 1 plus angle 2, which will be equal to x. So here I am writing angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to x, right? So this is the main concept for this question. Now you can apply here the co-interior property because the bracket is forming here, big bracket. So here you will write angle 1 plus angle 4 or angle 4 plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree because these are co-interior angles. So 4 angle is given as 146 degree plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Now angle 1 will be equals to 180 degree minus 146 degree, which is equals to 34 degree. Now here we have found the value of angle 1. Now next one is that angle 2 plus angle 3, again a big bracket is forming, right? So you will write here angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Again these are co-interior angles. So you will put the values of the angles. Angle 2 will remain angle 2 plus angle 3 is 150 degree. You can see here as well as here is equals to 180 degree. Now angle 2 is equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equals to angle 2 is equals to 30 degree. Alright, so here we have found both values of angle 1 and angle 2. Now you can see here from the beginning of the question we have written here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to x, right? So here we have to find the value of x. So here I am writing angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to x. So angle 1 was 34 degree plus angle 2 was 30 degree is equals to x. So 34 degree plus 30 degree, which is equals to 64 degree. So therefore we have found the value of x, which is equals to 64 degree, right? So students, these were very easy examples. Now I hope all of you have understood this concept. So now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. But before starting your homework, student, please go through the YouTube links, because all these links are very helpful for you all for understanding these type of questions in a better way. Thank you.